Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. This is Nifty on a daily time frame, and our previous analysis was this is a loan of sell side liquidity, and this fair value gap is a major buy side liquidity, and Nifty was supposed to trade between these two. There was like fair value gaps that were marked up right here, which we stopped marking quite a while ago because Nifty is staying well below this. Uh, and that's exactly what Nifty is playing out right now, and all the major time frames were all bearish. Let's switch to today's analysis. For first timers, what we do here, we analyze Nifty on different time frames, starting from the monthly time frame all the way down to the hourly time frame. This is Nifty on a monthly time frame. The bias is not sure. Why is it not sure? Because there are no higher lows formed or lower highs formed, which is when we say a certain instrument is either bullish or bearish. So we do not know what the bias is. There are two important levels. This is where the sellers are, and this is where the buyers are. So keep it as simple. Going over to the weekly time frame, Nifty is bearish on a weekly time frame. Why is it bearish? You just take a closer look at this. This is a swing high and this is a lower swing high, and that's exactly the reason why it is bearish. And this is the most important liquidity zone that's holding Nifty from a big fall right now. This we do not know for how long this liquidity will hold Nifty. There has to be fresh buying coming in, otherwise it's really pushing hard against this liquidity zone right now from 1, 2, 3, and 4 weeks. So this is the fifth week that we are going to test this liquidity. And going over to the daily time frame, this is on a daily time frame. Then if the bias is still bearish, why is it bearish? Because this is a swing high and this is a lower swing high. There's a fair value gap that was formed right here, so that is again sell side liquidity. So you can see this is the major sell side liquidity, and more confidence in the sellers, and they see this sell side liquidity right here, and there is a fair this these three green candles form an order block, and the center line of that, the bodies of those, is something that could act as a support if Nifty falls. That's 22,750, approximately 22,750 could act as a good support, and then we have all the way 22,180 down here. These are good supports. I am just mentioning supports because of this bearish scenario that I'm looking at right here, and that's that from my side. A short video. Gift Nifty doesn't look like it is going to be a good place for sellers to be, for call sellers to be in. That's it. Let's see what Nifty holds. I'm not a certified analyst, and I do this only for education purpose. Thank you.